Hi, thanks so much for joining us. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the My Calendar feature on your Rallyhood dashboard. My Calendar is an aggregate of all the events that have been added into the calendars for all of the rallies that you are a member of. It is a central place to communicate dates and deadlines for the year. From your Rallyhood dashboard, let's click on My Calendar. Your calendar will automatically default to grid view, but you can also change this to list view if you prefer. You can see this by month, week, day, and you can go to every day of the week. I prefer grid, so I'm going to revert back. If you click on the drop-down menu on the left of your header, this is where you can see all of your calendars for each rally that you are a part of. You can click on each one individually, or you can filter it by all of your calendars. You have the option to print your calendar here. And you can also subscribe to your personal calendar. You will see the subscribe button where you can do a one-way sync to import your rally calendar into your personal calendar. This way, whenever an event is added to the rally calendar, it will automatically be added to your personal calendar. Click on the version of the calendar, copy the link, and then follow the instructions. Everyone in a rally can benefit from a shared calendar. With a rally calendar, anyone can add important events, reminders, or deadlines in the hub or rally so that everyone can view them in their personal dashboard, My Calendar tab. Navigating back to your dashboard is very easy. From your My Calendar page, click on the Rallyhood icon, and your screen will return to your dashboard. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful here at your time at Rallyhood. Thank you again for watching our tutorial video. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com. Thanks again.